Hey guys, I am Mahesh Kalyanpur and today I am going to talk to you about one most important thing that will either make you or break you. This is something very important and this is a super short video that I am going to do and I am going to share a super valuable information with you. Today, what do you think is the most important or the most dangerous problem that we are facing? No, it is not corona or it is not terrorism or it is nothing of that sort. Human beings are suffering two things which has been gifted to them by God. One is imagination and the second one is memory. Memory and imagination are God gifted faculties of brain, mind, right? But the best gift that God has given to us, we have converted it into the curse. Now you may ask how? Pay close attention. We are using memory to remember our past and suffer at this moment. And most of them are using their imagination to imagine their future, which they don't know what it is going to look like. They are imagining it in their own negative way and they are suffering. So what we have basically done is we have converted two super powerful tools that God gifted to us, and we have converted it into a curse, and now we are using it against us because we are using memory and going into the past, we are using imagination and going into the future, and what we are doing is we are spoiling our present, right? This we have to stop, and we have to use our imagination and memory in such a way that we become the best version of ourselves. Keep this in mind. This is very important because even in case of COVID, more than physically, people are suffering mentally. Do you agree with me on this? So it is very, very, very important that we control our mind in such a way that our mind works for us and not works against us. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Now how we can, use our memory and imagination in a constructive way that we, come out of all this dogma and we build a beautiful life around us for us. Because life is just like a string. Now I am connected to so many number of people and they are all counting on me on lot of things, right? So we have friends, we have family members, we have our people surrounding us. We all need each other. So now, how will you do that? Simple thing is, just try to be in the present. If your past is hurting, it's already gone. And if you feel that your future is scary, it's not yet come. There is a beautiful saying and I really connect with this saying. You know what that saying is? It says, yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery, today is a gift. That is why it is called as present. And it is you who is going to make this present moment a pleasant moment. It is up to you. So I challenge you, I encourage you to make this present moment a pleasant moment, not only for you, but for the people around you. So, be in the present moment, be mindful and be the best version of yourselves because I know you can and you will. Thank you so much for being with me on this. Take care, stay safe, stay motivated. God bless you.